How to update your Sony camera firmware through SD card. Before performing the firmware update, check if the camera has the latest version or requires update. Steps are illustrated using the ILCE7M4 model, and they may vary slightly for other models. You may refer to your model's help guide for applicable steps. Here's how to check the camera's firmware version. Press the menu button. Go to Setup. Select Setup Options. Select Version. The system version is 1.01. How to download the software update. Navigate to the camera section of the Sony support website. Search the camera's model. Go to Downloads. The latest version can be found at the top of the list on the Downloads page. Check the camera's software version first before downloading the update. If the camera's software version is same with the latest on the website, the update is not needed. For this model, ILCE7M4, if the version is 1.01, it must be updated to 1.05 first before updating to the latest version. Otherwise, the update will not work. Select the system software update. Select the version 1.05 update. Click on the download button. Read and scroll through the end user license agreement to enable the download button. Click on the download button again. Software update file will now be downloaded to your computer. How to save the software update file on your SD card. This step-by-step guide is for Windows OS. You may check your device's manual if you are using Mac. Insert your SD card on your PC or laptop directly or through an adapter. Steps may vary depending on your operating system. Check your device's manual. Copy the update file from your PC and paste it to your SD card. Go to File Explorer to open your SD card. Copy the update file and paste it on your SD card. Safely remove your SD card before removing from your PC or laptop. How to install update through the camera. Updating the saved file through the camera. Insert the memory card on which the update file was saved into slot 1 of the unit. Note, only slot 1 recognizes the system's software data. The update can only be performed when the battery power level is 3 bars or more. We recommend that you use a fully charged battery. To update through the camera, press the menu button. Go to Setup. Select Setup Options. Select Version. Select Software Update. Scroll down and select Execute. When the system software update starts, a black screen is displayed and the access lamp flashes. The update will take approximately 6 minutes to complete. Update is now complete. Select OK to exit. Select Version again to check if the software has been updated. Software has been successfully updated to 1.05.